Hey friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm super excited. I've got an order again from Cottage Fairy Art. Cottage Fairy on YouTube is a gal by the name of Paola, and she is a very talented artist. She does very beautiful videos of where she lives in the mountains and or in a valley. I think she lives in a valley, but anyways, it's just gorgeous. So I guess she lives on the outskirts of a small town, so therefore she is able to kind of be out in the country quite a bit. So I highly encourage you guys to go take a look at her videos. Tell her if you decide to order anything from her Etsy shop. This is from her Etsy shop, and just so you know, it doesn't just come like this. It is double packaged. So I take it out of the first package, take off my address, and then yeah, she does a phenomenal job. And then let's see, sending daydream. Okay, that's so sweet. Of course, I use that in junk journaling. And then everything's wrapped up. And I think I see something in here. She's so sweet. So anyways, she's a very sweet young woman who is very talented, who she literally painted the picture for this right there. That's why I'm saving it, because it's so beautiful. And I will definitely use the tissue and the picture in my junk journaling. And she did. So I think this is the one. All right. So I am going to, and here's the backer board. I will save that for junk journaling. I will save this for junk journaling. So I love this paper. Love it. I don't know where she gets it, but it is gorgeous. So this is from Paola. Thank you for supporting my small business. Yeah, and she painted that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Now, so let me tell you what happened. She had this in her shop. I loaded it in my cart, and I was waiting. I think I was asking her a question. I can't remember. And somehow it sold out. So I wrote her and I said, hey, I love your work. Would you, because I call my granddaughter Bunny, and I've been missing her for, while we've been sheltered in, would the next time you recreate or you make another one of these, would you please notify me or save one for me and I'll buy it from you? She's so sweet. She goes, I'm going to put one in your order. And I was just like, you do not have to do that. Let me pay you. Let me, all those things. Of course not. Of course not. So anyways, and it's got a nice finish on it. This is a very, oh my goodness. This is such, and I love that chiffon. That is a gorgeous ribbon. Oh, I love that ribbon. Wow. It's like a chiffon. And it's soft and silky. I'm going to have to write her and say, what is the makeup of that ribbon? Anyways, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And one day I told her I would save this, treasure this, and then I will pass it on to my bunny. So, it's very substantial. I was thinking if it were just paper, I wouldn't be able to do it. I could totally do it. So, and then here is her art. So I love her florals. I love them. I think I think I do have all of these, which she creates them such that you could make them into what she calls a postcard, but it's really just postcard size. And I think these are gorgeous. I think you could journal with these. I think you could frame these. I think there's all kinds of things you can do with these. You could make cards out of these. Gorgeous. Okay, now, this is it. I absolutely love this. I believe I have this in a different size. I can't remember, but look at the bunnies and the bunny and the baby bunny, the bird and the fox and butterflies and the squirrels and the baby squirrels and the fox. Seriously, that is priceless. And of course, this is her work by Paola. So, very talented young woman. Whimsy, no doubt, full of love. I just absolutely enjoy it. Look at the deer. And she's painting in the squirrel, and the bunny, and then the fox. Absolutely love it. In the rain. Okay. And here is a little tiny, I think that this is what she calls like her garden fairies or her wild nature fairies. I don't know what she calls them, but they're, anyways, collecting the petals and the blossoms. And look at the bunny, and it's somebody's pet. Don't you love it? Look at the sunflowers. Aren't those gorgeous? Seriously. Oh. Ah, and look at this. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this bunny. Oh my goodness. I love the mushrooms. And then the nest. Do you see the size? There's the blackberries. It's really interesting. These are very thought-filled pieces of work, and I really love that. Is that a weasel? Somebody tell me, leave me a comment, or a ferret, maybe? I don't know, leave a comment below. And look at the mouse. And look, she's collecting, I believe, maybe wheat. I don't know, flowers. And then look at the other flowers here. Beautiful. I almost think of her like an angel, but anyways. Okay, now look. Oh, look at the swing and the little cottage. And look at the ornamental berries or nuts that are hanging. And more acorns. And then look. More of the mushrooms. Beautiful. I mean, I can sit and stare at these for hours. There's so much to see. Literally, look at this. You know, she has these little twirls in the sky. And I mean, and some of you may say that's just doodling, but it's the thought of putting it all together. Yeah. And look at this bunny. Look at that hair. Ah, that is so sweet. If you don't know, my granddaughter I call Bunny, which I've said many times here. I love the bird. But she's also a ginger. So, though her hair is getting very blonde in the summer, which would be true. Her mom and her dad both were blonde when they were little. So, I love the mushrooms. Oh, and look at the squirrel. More mushrooms and the berries. Too cute. Too cute. Love that. And then, oh, look at this one with her feather. It reminds me of a Native American woman, to be honest. And love her braid and the owl and all the ivy. So beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I love that. That one's very special. Oh, look at this one. Same thing. I see her as a Native American. Oh, I think the new term, my son was saying, it's not Native American anymore. It may be American Indian, but I'm not sure. I mean, my dad was Cherokee, but, you know, he was part Cherokee, I should say. So really beautiful, beautiful flowers. Fox, beautiful. Oh, look at that. That pendant on the fox. And if you look at this closely, all the little strokes, isn't that? And then she did the whimsical ones. Ah, love it. I mean, it's not just enough to be able to paint the fox, but then to decorate the fox. Oh, there's the little girl again. So sweet with her little stocking cap on. And then the bunny with the wreath. Oh, that is gorgeous. In the night sky. So beautiful. And then one last one. There are two kiddos here looking up at the sky. And I don't know what that is. So guys, tell me what you think that is. And I'm not sure what that is. But beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, the Cottage Fairy on Etsy. The Cottage Fairy on YouTube. Absolutely breathtaking work. Beyond creative, imaginative, lovely, beautiful cinematography. Really, I mean, it is cinematography, and on her videos, and very relaxing. So I hope you guys will go take a peek. Tell her I sent you, Josephine's Designs, and hopefully, yeah. So, okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you can appreciate the talent and the creativity in these. Of course, I am a retired teacher who loves children's storybooks. So I literally still have the books from when I was a little girl. Yeah. And my children were little. Yeah, I know. Can't get rid of them. But anyways, you know how that goes. All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much for being here. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Y'all take care and like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me what was your favorite. And I will see you soon. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.